Hello you guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I have something to share with you guys that's it's fun, but it's also very sweet and sentimental. I'm going to share a candle with you. This candle is definitely more special than your average candle. So the company is called Homesick Candles, and as you can see I have the New Orleans one, and I'll explain to you why the New Orleans one is special to me. First I wanted to show you what they look like. The packaging is amazing, by the way, and you can pick from cities and states. All the information that you need will be linked below. On the back you'll see a description of the custom scents depending on the city or state that you choose. I want to share with you briefly my homesick story. I'm going to insert some old footage, so this will be really exciting for you guys. My husband Caleb grew up in New Orleans, and I went to work at kids camp one summer, and he was also working that kids camp in New Orleans, and that's where we met. When my husband and I were dating and engaged, most of my time that I got to spend with him before we got married was in New Orleans. Our first child, her middle name is Nola for New Orleans, so it's very special to us. One of my favorite scents in here is the warm cinnamon for the king cakes. And we still buy king cakes every year. Not only does this bring out memories, but it also looks really, really good as far as aesthetics and everything. So that's what that is. It's a very, very good size. It's made in small batches in the United States, and it's hand poured. And this is soy wax. Oh, I love this. About me and my husband. So we met there. King cake and beignets and all that is something that I feel like we just got married. I'm gonna cry. It's been 8 years since we've gotten married and close to 10 years since we met. That is a huge part of, obviously, of my husband's life. He grew up there, so he really loves this candle. But for me, it just brings back those fond memories of not knowing that that was gonna be my husband, not knowing that we were gonna grow together and have children together. And I'm gonna be putting this in our bedroom because it's, you know, it's about us. I'm gonna cry. But I'm not crying over a candle. I'm crying over the memories that the candle brings, okay? I just love the warm cinnamon. Makes me think of just the baked goods. There's a video of that me and my husband have, and my now husband, and at the time we didn't know each other. I think we had just known each other. We were just getting to know each other as staff because we were working together at a kids camp. I'm pretty sure this was just a week into knowing him. And our very first picture together was only a few days of meeting each other, and it was on the streets. I think it was on Canal Street, if you guys are familiar with New Orleans. I didn't expect to get emotional. Not only does he have the special memories of meeting his wife and future mother to his children, but it also brings back his childhood. I love the ingredients. I love that I'm not burning anything with all these chemicals. Not only is this really special to us, but obviously it's special to my husband's family. So I think these would be really amazing gifts to get somebody a candle that has such a sweet meaning to them in whatever city and whatever state they may feel homesick for or bring back fond memories. What an amazing gift. I hope that you guys go and grab you one of these candles and grab somebody else a candle. Go check out all the cities and the states that they have. They have a lot of stuff on their website, and everything looks really, really beautiful. It smells beautiful. It's gonna be such a thoughtful gift. I'm excited to burn these and continue and buy more and keep burning those. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.